Connect an LED to connector A4 on your Studuino. Make sure the gray wire of your cable is facing towards the center of the board. Before you start programming, you will need to tell the block programming environment which Studuino ports you'll be using. Open the block programming environment, click on Edit, then Port Settings to open the Port Settings dialog. Click on the triangle and choose LED under A4, then click on Apply. Now you are ready to program your LED. It's time to start learning about some programming basics using this block. The video will be made in 4 separate parts, so please be sure to watch them in the correct order. Now you will see an LED block on the left side. Drag this block to the script field and connect it to the When Clicked block. Make sure the block is connected. Use a USB cable to connect your Studuino to your PC. Now click on Edit, then Transfer to transfer your program to your Studuino. Seeing the message disappear means that your program has been successfully transferred to your Studuino. The LED will light up automatically once the transfer finishes. If any of the following messages pop up, it means your program did not transfer correctly. If this message pops up, make sure your USB cable is properly connected to your PC and Studuino and try transferring again. If this message pops up, close any applications that may be communicating with your Studuino. If no other applications are communicating with the board, unplug the USB cable and press the onboard reset button. The next step would be making the LED blink. Click on the next video to see how to program.